Welcome to the Kubernetes SIG Testing meeting. This meeting is being recorded, and it falls under the Kubernetes rules of codes of conduct. If you have any concerns that those codes have been violated, please contact the SIG chairs, or I don't actually know who would be escalated above that. I think someone in SIG contributor experience. There's only one agenda item on the agenda. Is there any new business other than the items currently on the Code of Conduct Committee? Thank you. Is there any new business other than the one item that's currently on the agenda?
We potentially can discuss about the in-repo config for periodic job, but I guess we already discussed on Slack, unless Alvaro has something else to be added here.
I don't really think there's more than what we already discussed on Slack, so.
Yeah, me neither. So I think we're good.
Okay. Hearing nothing else, I'll go with the first agenda item. There is currently in production a replacement for Transfigure, which is test grid config merging. There's some information about it up on the README. I'm looking to get the current Transfigure users that we're using to move to config merging. The big advantage to it is that it will allow you to add your configuration to test grid without requiring a PR. I intend to have an example prow job similar to the example prow job for Transfigure out soon. If anybody's interested in getting on that boat immediately, please contact me, Chase S2, on Slack. Will there be a demo next time?
I have a quick question. For now, with Transfigure, a user will get notified on the PR in case test infra when there is a conflict or some sort. Because if there is such things, the post-submit job would not, the pre-submit job would not let it go through, at least.
Right.
So with config merger, what's the notifying system? How would the user know that they run into a conflict or post-submit problem?
Right now, some post-submit conflicts will automatically resolve. If you name your thing the same as something that currently exists on Kubernetes, your thing will be renamed in kind of a deterministic way. Other configuration issues you will not be notified of. And so there will be some simple pre-submit testing that your non-Kubernetes repository will be responsible for implementing, which again, I hope to have in kind of an example prow job. The config merger is another way of solving the same problem that Transfigure is. We're not spinning down Transfigure. That script will, it still works, and it's not going to disappear in the near future. Claudio, I might have a demo next time. I don't have one this time. Fantastic. Are there any other questions? All right, hearing no other questions and no further new business, I guess I would move that we adjourn. Thank you all very much for your time.
Thank you for the hosting. Bye.
Thank you. See ya.